If you've been trying a middle part and it just doesn't look good on you, then understand this. You're making a big mistake that 90% of people don't even know about. And because of that, their middle part always looks flat, awkward, and unattractive. But here's the good news. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly where you're going wrong and how to fix it, so you can make your middle part look 10 times better. And once you understand this, you won't have to try a middle part ever again. You'll actually pull it off confidently. Now here's the thing. A middle part looks simple. Just split your hair in the middle and done. But in reality, this is not a simple hairstyle. It's a detail-based hairstyle. And small mistakes can completely ruin your look. The first mistake. You think a middle part is just one style, but it's not. A middle part is just a base. There are multiple ways to style it. On some people, a soft curtain look works best on others. A sharper, cleaner version looks better. And for some, a messy, natural flow works perfectly. But what do most people do? They copy someone else's hairstyle and then wonder, why does it look weird on me? Simple. Because you're not choosing it based on your face shape and your hair type. Now the next mistake, hair length. This is something most people completely ignore, and it ruins everything. If your hair is too short, it won't split naturally. It'll just stick up and look forced. And if it's too long, it falls flat and looks lifeless. For a proper middle part, you need around 5 to 6 inches on top. That's when your hair falls naturally and frames your face properly. But here comes the biggest problem: flat hair. This is the reason why a middle part fails on most people. If your hair has no volume, no movement, then it doesn't matter how good your haircut is or how perfect the length is. It will still look bad. Flat hair just sticks to your head. And that gives off a low-effort, low-energy look. A good middle part needs flow lift volume. Without that, it just looks boring. Now here's how to fix it. First, your hair shouldn't be completely wet or completely dry, just slightly damp. Then push your hair back and see where it naturally splits. That's your real part. Stop trying to force a perfect straight line. Natural always looks better. Now comes the important part. Creating volume. If your hair is flat, your middle part will never stand out. So you have two options: either let it set naturally or use light blow drying. While blow drying, go from front to back and gently guide the sides. That's where volume comes from. That's where the shape is built. But remember, you don't need heavy heat every day. Use it smartly, not excessively. And finally, product. Just a small amount. If you use too much, your hair becomes heavy, greasy, and flat again. And then you blame the hairstyle, when the real problem was your technique. And one last thing that most people ignore: consistency. A middle part doesn't become perfect overnight. You have to train your hair, style it daily, guide it slowly. Within 1 to 2 weeks, you'll start seeing a clear difference. And that's when you'll realize the hairstyle was never the problem. Your approach was. Fix that, and your entire look levels up automatically. If this helped you, subscribe. I'm not just here to motivate you. I'm here to help you actually improve.